She was working in the workshop. It started raining. A. Before, B. So, C. Until. Jane and I lunch at the new restaurant today. A. Was having, B. Had, C. Are having. I have to finish the project. The deadline tomorrow. A. In, B. By, C. Until. It was a hard task. I managed to finish it. A. So, B. Because, C. But. Tommy usually the server before break. A. Checks, B. Checks, C. Checked. We a lot of fun last night. A. Have, B. Had, C. Has. Jamie was the one who all the arrangements for the event. A. Make, B. Makes, C. Made. There many students in the class yesterday. A. Wasn't, B. Weren't, C. Aren't. Sandra been to the meeting yet. A. Have not, B. Aren't, C. Hasn't. Neither the teacher nor the students responsible for the mistake. A. Were, B. Are, C. Is. He would have arrived earlier if he the bus on time. A. Catches, B. Had caught, C. Has caught. Mark to visit her aunt if she had more time. A. Wanted, B. Will want, C. Would want. They believe what they were seeing. A. Don't, B. Hadn't, C. Couldn't. Elena broke down. She didn't get the job. A. When, B. Because, C. That. You finished your assignment. A. Didn't, B. Haven't, C. Aren't. We had no idea the music would be so loud. We. A. Do, B. Does, C. Did. Annie couldn't the pain of heartbreak. A. Stand, B. Hold, C. Withhold. Do you think she's angry? Me. A. For, B. By, C. With. I invited you lunch. A. To, B. For, C. At. I couldn't the aroma of the freshly baked bread. A. Dismiss, B. Avoid, C. Resist. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.